Hey everyone, this is Darren with Madcaptoys. I'm glad to be back with you, and I'm glad to have you with me today, and thank you so much for stopping by to view this video. Today's been a lovely and wonderful day. Got a lot of jobs done here at home as well as working online. Hopefully you had a wonderful day as well. But I've been having a lot of questions lately concerning Mercari. This is going to be a how-to video dealing with Mercari. So it won't apply to nothing else. It's just for Mercari. Guys, this video here is going to be about how to enlarge photos if you're a buyer to see the entirety of a photo. A lot of people have been writing me and saying, Darren, for those of you that buy off me multiple times, or Madcaptoys, what is the deal? Your photos aren't always showing up. And I know through chat rooms that a lot of people have this problem as sellers on Mercari. And I also know that a lot of people, as far as buyers, have this problem on Mercari. And a lot of them don't know how to fix it. This is a small, and I say small, Mercari glitch because, guys, there is a workaround. And you can fix it very, very simply, right? So when you have a action figure, let's go over here. I'm going to show you. I wish they wouldn't cut me off like that. You see my 1992 G.I. Joe Big Bear right there. You see the G.I. Joe Battlecopter Major Altitude, Luke Skywalker Best Friend outfit. I get a lot of people that will write me and say, hey, how come you're not showing me whole pictures of your item? Why are you cutting their heads off, cutting their feet off? What's the deal? What are you trying to hide? Guys, nobody's trying to hide anything, whether me or any other seller. We want you to buy the toy. This small glitch is a small problem. It's not a huge problem. It's easily worked around. But for some of us sellers, it can be a big problem if our buyers don't like what they're seeing. And as far as buyers, guys, this is a small problem to you, yes. But also, it's got an easy workaround. You just have to think it through. Don't let the system outsmart you because it's an app. The biggest problem that we have, and I am currently not on my Apple iPod or on a Samsung phone or an Apple phone or any other phone. I'm on a desktop. I'm not on a PC, but it works pretty much the same way as a desktop or laptop on the desktop. So more people than not have problems with this are the guys and gals that's running it through the Mercari app, right? But here's the easy, simple workaround, okay? You see this picture here. Let's see what happens if I click that listing, all right? Oh my goodness, his back and his front and his back are not showing all the way through. Well, simple workaround, guys. You see this here? Right there you go. Simple click. One click and it's done. Let's look about this. Same thing. Simple, simple, simple. All right. It's just a small little handicap glitch that they've got right now, and they haven't fixed it on Mercari. I've talked to Mercari several times concerning this small glitch, and I'm telling them, hey, it's sort of handicapping some of us sellers, and pretty much when I say some, I mean all of them, because it don't happen on every photo, but it happens on enough photos to be aggravating, because I get this question, and this is no joke, at least 25 times a day. How come you're not showing me the whole photo? Guys, it's not, I'm not showing you a photo. It's just a small glitch. Here you go again. Let's do it again. I'll do it one more time after this one. All right. You see his front, his back, right, not showing up. And as far as the app, just do the same thing. Just tap that photo, and it will come up. All right, let's do it one more time. We'll go slower. You can click the photo there, or the title. Click the photo, and it's fixed. Simple, easy peasy, guys. So if you have a problem where you can't see Luke's head or his lower half here, don't fret. And you don't have to really contact the sellers. because honestly, it's not their fault. If you want to, go ahead. Your comments are welcome in this video. I always appreciate your comments and your thoughts. I appreciate a like and a subscription if you would, because that helps us so much. And don't forget to share this video and spread the word about us, because we do try to offer good information on issues about this, especially Mercari and on eBay. But this is a simple workaround. Really simple. All right, guys, I hope you found it informative. You guys have a great and a wonderful day. We'll see you all later. Bye-bye.